Here's a quick wee tutorial on how to play Wonderwall. So this song's quite fun to play. It uses some variations on chords that most of you will already know. We start with an E minor 7, we go to a G chord, then we go to an A7, sustained 4, then we go to a C, add 9. Now the thing these chords all have in common is that we have fingers 3 and fingers 4 on the bottom 2 strings of the guitar. That's going to be in fret number 3. So those fingers just stay there for pretty much every chord you play. In the bridge of this song, it seems to revert to normal chords, but you can still play the augmented chords if you'd like. Or the altered chords, I should say. So we start with the E minor 7, which is just an E minor, with the bottom 2 strings held in the 3rd fret as well. Then we go to a G. Now this one's just called the G as well. This is another way you can play a normal G chord. Usually you wouldn't have the 2nd string held, but in this case we are. We go to the A7 sus4, which is just string 1, 2, 3 and 4 held in the 3rd fret, and then the 2 strings above that in the 2nd fret. And then the C add 9 is just like the G chord, except our fingers are down a string at the top there. So we're not getting the top string, but the next 5 down. Just like that. So when we play this song, there's a tricky rhythm at the start. We don't change on the beat. The change of the chords after the first chord happens slightly late. So when you're playing through this song, try and do that kind of rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. I'm happy to catch up with you online, should you need any more instruction on that. But see how you go playing through the song with that.